Hey guys, how are you all doing? Solution FX here. We just exited a trade. I'm regretting. I'm regretting because I think we exited early. We should have held on. We should have waited longer before exiting. But anyway, I don't think there is any room for regret because whatever be the case, there will always be another opportunity. So this is V10, Volatility 10. I shared the trading signal yesterday, of course. I shared it with my community members on Telegram, which is what I always do. So let's get into that. This is a Telegram group. So if you're not here, find your way to this Telegram channel. You can see the username solutionfx underscore HQ. If you are a synthetic indices trader or you're learning to trade, make sure you find yourself here. You can see the username solutionfx underscore HQ. Just search for it on Telegram or click somewhere in this video. You are gonna see the link to the Telegram channel. So just click on it and join because I always share daily trading signals. So this is the V10. Here is the signal that I shared. See, it was yesterday around 10:13 a.m. A few minutes past 10 in the morning. That was when I shared it. You can see. So this is V10 buy. We had our entry, we had our TP, we had our SL entry 5893 SL. This is the one on red 5887 and TP 5917. So you can see I kept on updating them even when it peaked. I updated the group. I kept updating slow motion Monday. Get ready, it might retrace once it gets to 5909 and then continue to buy. It's not a reason to panic, however, endeavor to secure profit. And of course, it did this. It got to, I think, 5911 and then retraced before picking up. Eventually, I woke up this morning, target successfully cleared. You can see that target has been cleared, and right now market is still pushing up. And I've also updated them that here is what we are looking for an opportunity for us to get back into V10. We actually exited early, and then here I said V25 is also looking for harvest, meaning that I'll be dropping these signals soon on the Telegram channel. Everything is free, so if you're not there, find your way there so that you can be maximizing and be making use of these trading opportunities I keep sharing with the community members. So let's get back into the chart. I'm looking at it. This is the 8-hour time frame, and I think this market actually has to buy more, and I see it going as high as 5986. It's possible for that to happen, even though at the moment it's created another lower high, which we have to wait to see what happens. It might retrace here. There's a probability of it retracing at this point now, or it could just cut through it like a hot knife through butter. But this is 8 hours time frame, so we can't make any conclusion on that. Let's descend to lower time frames. Let's look at the 1 hour. What do we see on the 1 hour time frame? 1 hour is a bit lagging. Let's choose, let's say, 4 hours. What do we see in the 4 hours? Okay, look at the 4 hour time frame. You can see that this has actually made another lower high, right? And looking at this is giving what, this is more like a W pattern. So I am of the opinion that this thing is gonna break this resistance. Yes, this market is gonna break this resistance. This black line, this down sloping trend line resistance, is gonna pierce through that. So here is the trade we took that yesterday. I think I should use 5 minutes now so that it will be clearer. So here is the trade we took that yesterday. You can see how we got our entry. We put the buy, and markets pushed up all through. And here's also what I'm looking at. I'm looking at this probable trend line support. That's also what is going to be guiding me now. So I want to watch now. I want to watch to see, because like I said, this market is going to retrace. That's just the truth. I want to see how far or how low the retracement can go. Let me also point this out to another trend line support. I'm a trend line trader, mind you. So in my chart, you'll be seeing many of these trend lines. So here are the probable support levels. We have the red one, and then this red one, and then this black one. So this will be my guideposts. I think looking at these two, I can also spot something here. There's also this trend line here. So I expect this market now. I expect it to at least retrace down to either this yellow line, anywhere between this yellow line and the red one. So that's where I expect it to retrace to before we now take a buy and then target the highs, because like I said, it's gonna break this black line. It's gonna break it and be looking at 5986. So let's just give it some minutes. So if you don't want to miss out on this fire signal that will be coming up soon, make sure you join us on Telegram, and please make sure you like this video, subscribe, share, follow, depending on whatever platform it is you're seeing it, and most importantly, join us on Telegram for daily market updates and the trading opportunities. I will see you guys in the next one. Ciao.